When you're going to book your car into a shop, have you ever wanted to see the shop before you take it in there? Well, this is what we've done for you. Dash Off-Road and 4x4 DNA have always been a very transparent company, so we're taking it to the next level to give you an all areas pass to everything in our business in a virtual tour, 3D virtual tour. So you have to go onto Google, look up either Dash Off-Road or 4x4 DNA, go to Street View, that's very important, and the 3 dots at the top. Then it'll take you into our business Google view, and you can walk around our whole shop. We've got many points all through the business, and it's as if you were here yourself, but having a tour by me, and this is what we call our customer journey. So we take you through the office, you meet the girls and Locke, go through out into workshop 1, and you can have a look at our workshop. Is it neat and tidy and clean? Well, yes it is, because we made sure it was. But you can have a look at some of the work we've done. You can go into cars. So as you see some of the cars in the car park, like my own, Steve's, Tough 62, there's an arrow going into the car. You can jump in there, have a look around, spin on your phone or keyboard, look around, and you can see what's inside the car. You can have a look at what's happening in the back of our cars, underneath the cars, and even if you want to go around to workshop 2, you can see the stage that we're building for our Samurai car and our workshop lighting that we've got in there as well. There's all the Samurai exhaust. Then you can go around into the showroom and see how we've set that up. If that's not enough, you can leave the showroom, go out into the car park, down to Dash Off-Road and have a look in the warehouse and the office. You have access all area to our business. Have a look at this video, or you can go to Google and do it for yourself. So if you want electrical work done, suspension, GVM upgrades, anything for your Y62s and other vehicles as well, go to the link below, 4x4 DNA, and give us a call or Dash Off-Road.